To run a security scan, go to Dashboard, then Security, then click Start Security Check. After some processing, you might be presented with some recommendations. In my case, I have an RLS recommendation for the meal plan table in our database. Let's click Apply Fixes. And just like that, we've secured our meal plan table, making sure users are only able to create, read, update, or delete their own data. Now, I also like to test the app and poke around for other potential security issues that might not have been caught by the scan. So I'll ask the chat in discuss mode, are there any console log messages or other information displayed in the developer tools that might compromise the security of the app? And after processing, it gives a long, detailed message explaining the state of the app and how the current logging and error handling practices are secure and don't compromise the app's security. This is great. Now let's test the app to make sure nothing broke when we changed the RLS rules. I'll log out, and then log back in as my secondary user, and try to create a new meal plan. Oh, we got a pop-up that says permission was denied. Base44 shows an Issues Found pop-up. It correctly identifies the permissions issue with creating a meal plan. Let's click Resolve with AI to fix it without using any credits. Perfect. The chat updated the permissions to allow any authenticated user to create meal plans, but all the other rules remain the same. Users can only read, update, and delete their own plans. Let's run another security scan to make sure that this setup is still safe. Green check marks across the board. Now let's test that the meal plan generation and agent both work properly. Excellent. Our app is secure and fully functional.